Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you my 2015 Ford Fusion Firefighter POV blue light setup. In the rear glass, we've got a Phoenix Fusion 600 stick, 180 degree optics on the outers, and then the four inners are all 40 degree optics. On the side, there are Phoenix Fusion surface mounts, 180 degree optics on both of those. Phoenix Mini 4200 controller. And then up in the visor area, there are two sound off signal M power blue white dual colors. So yeah, got power for the rear bar, and then warning here activates the side and rears. And then I just hooked up the sound off signals a little while ago, so right now they're set to visor. I plan on incorporating them into this button here. So we'll start at the front. Surprisingly enough, they punched the tint really, really well. I mean, so did the Phoenix. So I didn't really know what to expect with the sound off. I haven't had them on the car before, but they don't really shine out too much, but they punch through pretty freaking good if you ask me. Then here's the Fusion surface mount on the side. I have the rear bar set to the attack pattern. There are traffic advisor functions for this bar, but since I respond directly to the station and not directly to the scene, I don't really have a need for traffic advisor functions. And there's the other surface mount from Phoenix. And yeah, that's everything. I was gonna go all out and just put a full light bar on top and call it a day, but I live a minute away from my fire station, so I didn't really see a point in doing that. But I do plan on adding some more stuff to the vehicle soon. This is kind of what I wanted to do with it. So quick shout out, Omega Tint, TikTok, Instagram. Go ahead and give them a follow, like their content, stuff like that. They're the ones that tinted my car, all 20% all the way around, sun visor in the front. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.